I think it's time I dye my hair. Duh! Except it's gonna be in a very interesting setting. Not at home. I am living in a van. Yeah. Before I can actually get to dyeing my hair, I actually need to drive us into a whole new country, because currently we're in Hungary and I want to go to Austria to dye my hair, because I don't know, I feel like there's cuter scenes in Austria, maybe with a lake. Let's dye my hair. We're now in Devin, Slovakia. This is my hair at the moment, and as you can see, the beautiful kind of berry color that I had before faded. Obviously, colors do that. So I want to touch it up today and create a very, very beautiful kind of a berry concoction and touch up just that part of my hair, because the rest of it looks pretty good, I think. However, I am inspired by The Outdoor Boys. He does everything outdoors and it is the most beautiful, peaceful content that I've ever watched. So I'm inspired because that is what YouTube should be. A place of inspiration, basically. To make my life harder, I'm going to be using nothing but the 3 primary colors of the color wheel to mix up a very custom berry shade to add beautiful vibrance to my hair and bring some life to it. So peaceful here. I really wish you were here, but I'm also extremely awkward because there are people around. But I'm using this as my new things to try this year. So let's dye my hair. I want to make a berry color, so I think that's pretty. I don't know if this is what I intended when I created this brush over like 2 years ago, but it's really, really handy in this one. I have a suspicion it's going to go purple, which I'm not too thrilled about, but based on the circumstances, I feel like I'll still be happy with any outcome. Oh, that is beautiful. It's a surprisingly clean process aside from the massive stain on my forehead. Guys, if you're from Slovakia, your country's beautiful. The people are nice. I met a Hungarian here. He gave me directions. Hungarians are nice. Okay. I want to attempt something so that I don't look stupid whilst I go.
Don't put your opinion on You're gonna get it full of color.
Oh, it's fine. Everything in my life is full of color. Let's let this marinate. I look like a unicorn. Oh my god. I think I chose one of the prettiest places to come and dye my hair. So, this is the Devin Castle. I like it. It's giving the set of Teletubbies.
There's a Teletubby right here.
Oh! I feel like I look a bit like a Teletubby. Look at that! It's very cute. It doesn't look at all like Malta. I vibe with this place. It's really pretty. Okay, so this is what the view looks like on this side, but then there's this. This is the Danube River, and it is one of the most beautiful rivers ever.
I comprehend. Okay.
You concur? And it's the castle. And now we're going there. It's going to be interesting for when it comes to washing it, because these are the products that I have to wash my hair. And this is where I have to do it. It's going to be very interesting, but I'm excited. Are you ready to see it? It's a very pretty color. It's not giving much, although the ends are definitely more purple. I think it's gonna have to be one of those colors that I say dry, because so far it is giving minimal change. It's still a cool effect, but it's giving minimal change when I was hoping for maximal change. I've already gone ahead and applied my leave-in products, but one of the reasons I wanted to do this in a camper van setting is because I was gifted this for Christmas this year. I'm so keen to try. This is a little camper van mini cigarette lighter hairdryer that I'm dying to use, mainly because it's winter and it's cold here, but also because look at it, it holds. Oh my god. I think though,
2 hours later.
literally, if not 2.5, I gave up on that hairdryer because it took forever to dry my hair. I let it air dry naturally in the van, except now I realized the only hot tool that I have is a flat iron, but the flat iron needs to be plugged in, and this van does not offer socket power. So I have to come up with an alternate style that is heatless, but is still cute enough for a reveal, because I feel like I've got a cute makeup look. Here are all the hair tools that I brought with me on this trip. A rat tail comb, paddle brush, hairspray that is on its way out, and a little pouch of pins and rubber bands and stuff. So I'm gonna go on Pinterest, find a hairstyle that I want to try, and attempt it with only these items, because I don't have a hot tool. Okay, I figured one out. A French braid going through here, except I took out a little diamond triangle shape for the front, and then I did a lace braid on the lower half, connected them together, and I'm going to repeat the same on the other side, pull this back, and hopefully create something fun. I cannot tell you how long it took me just to create an identical triangle parting on this side, but anyways. This is taking it out of me, but that's the third braid done. I also want to show you the view. Like, that is my view, aside from the cars, of the river. Just flowing. I also love how throughout all of this, there's Dan somewhere doing at the back, patiently waiting for me to finish. Okay, I'm gonna get ready with an outfit and show you the very final look. So pretty. I don't know if I picked the right spot for this end reveal, but it's definitely different from what I normally post, so I'm sticking with it. Because this is the end look that I created fully outdoors with very limited product space or equipment. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of impressed with the outcome of this look just because of how it came to be, especially with these braids and the color and how I washed it out and styled it. That being said, I think I can definitely do better in a studio setting with all the equipment and with a different variety of dyes. I don't know if I'm necessarily very happy with the brightness, vibrance, or saturation of the hair color, but it definitely made it better than how it was. And I'm still pretty happy with the fact that I traveled to 3 different countries throughout the making of this one video. But it's cute. Look, that's the Danube. Is this what we're doing?
Salamikum.
Thanks guys, this was fun. Different. Do you mind? Do you mind? Look, it's not even going anywhere, it's just floating here. Let me view the front place. Let's go up here. Okay guys, I don't know if you enjoyed this video whatsoever. I really actually enjoyed it because it put me out of my comfort zone a ton, but at the same time it made me use my resourcefulness to the very full. So is that intentional? Who knows? Who knows? Let me know down in the comments below. I am going to continue my travels and probably take this bad boy into Bratislava.
Bratislava's closed now.
It's closed?
It's closed.
Closed for the winter season.
One of the campsites in the area.
Seriously, look at this. I gotta do it just once. Okay, let's go. Thanks for watching guys. Subscribe if you enjoyed it. This will probably never happen again, so if this is your first time on this channel, don't expect it. If you didn't like it, it's fine. Bye!